Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about Scopus Index free journals. All these journals which are listed in this video are having no publication fees. And all these journals are Scopus Index journals and UGC Care listed journals. So one by one, I am going to tell you about these journals. So first journal is International Journal of Mathematical, Engineering and Management Sciences. The Scopus coverage year for this journal is from 2016 to present. After updation of Scopus list in June 2020, still this journal is indexed with Scopus database. Publisher of this journal is International Journal of Mathematical, Engineering and Management Sciences. Online ISSN of this journal is given. So first we are going to visit a website of this journal. Here on their website it is mentioned there is no article processing charges. There is no submission fee. So this journal is completely free journal. And you can see the topic covered under this journal are mathematical sciences, which include applied mathematics, operational research, mathematical statistics. Engineering sciences, it includes computer science engineering, mechanical engineering, industrial engineering, system engineering, reliability engineering, production engineering, and civil engineering. And management sciences include engineering management, risk management, management in technology and innovation, and supply chain management. These all topics and related topics are covered in this journal. And if you check the Scopus indexing of this journal, so here the International Journal of Mathematical, Engineering and Management Sciences, you can see this journal is still indexed with Scopus database from 2016. Okay, and here you can check the source normalized impact per paper is 2.386. Now second journal is Journal of Engineering Education Transformation. This journal is also indexed with Scopus from 2018. Publisher of this journal is Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology. Print ISSN and online ISSN mentioned here. So we are going to visit website of this journal. You can check a Journal of Engineering Education Transformation. This journal is also a free journal. There is no publication charges. Here on their website, it is also mentioned that there is no charges. It is free journal, free of charge journal. So if you check author guidelines and details, the scope topic covered in this journal you will find on their website. So I am going to check their website. Here you can see the Scopus journal details is available on their website. This journal is also indexed with Scopus database and UGC Care list. Here you can check a Scopus indexing of this journal, Journal of Engineering Education Transformation. Scopus coverage year from 2018 to present. Here SNIP of this journal for 2019 is 0.143, and subject area of this journal you can see on Scopus website: social sciences education, social sciences development, engineering, general engineering. All these topics covered in this journal. Third journal is Journal of Information and Communication Technology. Scopus coverage year from 2011 to present. Publisher of this journal is University Uttara Malaysia Press. Print ISSN and online ISSN available for this journal. So here we are going to visit website of this journal. You can see Journal of Information and Communication Technology. This journal is also free journal. There is no publication fees for this journal. If we click on guidelines, so all the details available for this journal. Here in author guidelines also they have again mentioned that there is no article submission charges, article processing charges. Here all details available about this journal. If you click on scope, you will find out the topic covered under this journal: theory of computation, software and its engineering, networks, computer system organization, hardware, information systems, security and privacy, human-centered computing, computing methodology, and related topic. All these topics covered under this journal. Again, you you can check on Scopus website the indexing of this journal: Journal of Information and Communication Technology. Scopus coverage year from 2011 to present. SNIP for 2019 is 0.752. Next journal is International Journal of Computing and Digital Systems. Scopus coverage year from 2018 to present. Publisher of this journal is University of Bahrain. Online ISSN available for this journal. So we are going to visit a website of this journal: International Journal of Computing and Digital Systems. On their website you can see it is mentioned no processing fee, no publication fee. It is also a free journal. Now all details available about this journal: indexing, content, the volume which are published, editorial board, for authors, the details available. Online publication for paper submission. Now we are going to check this journal on Scopus database. So here you can see International Journal of Computing and Digital System. Scopus coverage year from 2018 to present. The subject covered for this journal: business, management and accounting, management of technology and innovation. Under computer science, computer graphics and computer aided design, information system. All these topics are covered for this journal. SNIP for 2019 is 0.292. Now next journal is International Journal of Mathematical Science and Engineering Management. This journal is also Scopus Index from 2016. Publisher of this journal is Taylor and Francis. ISSN and online ISSN both are available for this journal. Next journal is International Review of Research in Open and Distance Learning. Scopus coverage year for this journal from 2000 to present. Now we are going to visit website for this journal, the International Review of Research in Open and Distributed Learning. Here on their website it is mentioned there is no publication or submission fee. If we are going to check the status of this journal, you can see this journal is indexed with Scopus from 2000. And topic covered under this journal are all social sciences education related topic covered. SNIP for 2019 is 1.638. This journal is also free journal. There are no publication charges for this journal. And the journal which I mentioned for Taylor and Francis, this journal is also free journal. All journals which are published by Taylor and Francis are free journals. There is no publication fees for paper submission and publication in Taylor and Francis all journals. This is the journal International Journal of Management, Science and Engineering Management. Here if you click on aim and scope, here you will find the details about this journal, which topic covered under this journal. So all 6 journals which are I listed in this video are free journals, and topic covered from engineering, social science, business, management, accounting, all education, all these topic covered under these journals. So I hope this video will be helpful in your publication process. If you really enjoy my videos and you are getting useful information through my videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Also please like and share among your friends. Thank you for watching my video.